Want to give your Outlook a fresh new look? Changing the theme color is a simple way to personalize your inbox and make email management feel a little more fun. Start by heading over to the Mail section of Outlook so you're in your familiar inbox view. In the top right corner, look for the Settings gear icon and click it. This will open a menu with different customization options. From here, scroll down and find the section called General. Inside General, you'll see an option labeled Appearance. This is where the magic happens. Click on Appearance, and you'll be presented with a range of ways to adjust how Outlook looks. Under Appearance, you'll notice a color option. Here you can choose from a palette of theme colors. Whether you want something bold and bright or subtle and professional, just click the color that matches your style. Once you've made your choice, don't forget the most important step. Hit Save. If you skip saving, Outlook will simply revert back to the previous color. After saving, return to your inbox and you'll immediately see your chosen color applied across the interface. And that's all it takes. In just a few clicks, you can transform Outlook into something that feels a little more you. Try experimenting with different colors whenever you want a change of mood or a boost of energy while working. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you customize your Outlook, be sure to check out more of my quick tutorials for making your tech experience smoother and more enjoyable.